What's up everybody, this is David from Caribbean Art Prints back with another video, and in this one we'll be continuing on with my pixelated art obsession, except this time we're doing it with Perler beads. Let's go.
Subscribe now.
So if you don't know what Perler beads are, essentially they're small plastic beads that come in various colors that can be arranged on a pegboard to create various designs. Works very well for cartoon characters or pixelated art. Once the design is complete, these beads are typically fused together using an iron with heat. So the ironing process just melts them together, causing them to become one unified piece versus a million different beads. But yes, a very popular option in crafting. Alright, enough talking, let's do it. Alright, so first things first, I created my design based on a couple different things merged together that I found online. And that is a hybrid of a hibiscus flower itself with the stem from a Mario video game, I guess. So take with it what you will, but this method applies to any other design out there. So make sure that you have a pegboard that is big enough to fit your design. So because mine is bigger, I have to attach two boards to create the full design. Anyway, once those are attached, you just go. Put some music on or a podcast or something. And then, yeah, just start laying out your Perler beads according to the design. So once your beads are in place and the final design is complete, you're going to lay a piece of parchment paper over everything. Take an iron on about medium heat. You don't want it to be too hot to melt everything too quickly. And then you're just gonna iron over everything in a circular fashion. Make sure that you're ironing on something that is iron safe. But yeah, circular fashion. One thing I did run into while doing this was uneven heat, essentially, right? So some parts would melt before other parts. And I don't know if that's because of my iron or maybe my ironing technique, but I would say be as even as you possibly can. On the parchment paper itself, you'll start to see when the beads start fusing. They look like almost like they're sticking onto the parchment. Most people say, you know, this process takes about 30 seconds. For me, it was more like 45 seconds to a minute to actually get things fused together. And once that's done, you're going to flip over the design and then iron the other side for just a little bit. Like, I did mine for probably 10-15 seconds, maybe 20. Then we have our Mario / hibiscus plant already, looking pretty good. And then that's it, man. You can place this by the window, on a bookshelf, on your desk. But yeah, definitely a fun activity that parents can do with their kids. Parents can do it by themselves just to like calm down and relax, especially if they're into certain cartoon characters or video games or things like that. You can find a pattern or a design for what they like and then apply the same technique to it. That's the video for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, share. It will be a big help to me and my channel going forward in the future. And then I will see you in the next one. All right, peace.